This is how I installed a valve stem on a semi rim. I believe it was a trailer rim. Got my 9/16 wrench. Nothing special, just any 9/16 wrench. Allen key or Allen wrench, whichever you want to call it. It'll do the job. A rubber mallet. I just found this rubber mallet sitting in the shop, so it'll work. Okay, I got my rim. I want to lay it downward to where my valve stem hole in the rim is facing me. My valve stem, my Allen key, really a tire plug, my 9/16 wrench, and my rubber mallet that I found in the shop. Okay, I'm just inspecting my valve stem to make sure that it doesn't have any cracks or bends in it. All my pieces are there, my nut and my washer. Okay, I took off the nut and washer off the valve stem, and my rubber seal looks good. So when I see my rubber seal down in there, I make sure that it's kind of, make sure it's not leaning. You want to make sure it's kind of evenly sitting in there. You can kind of tuck it in the hole a little bit. So I'm going to hold it on one end. So I reach in, I hold it on one end, and I just gently tap it in there. You might have to give it a few little bangs, but that's okay. The most important part is just making sure that rubber seal is flush on the back end and it's poking through on the other side. Make sure that ridge or that lip of that washer is facing towards the rubber seal. So I'm gonna grab my bolt and just put it right on there. Screw it by hand. Make sure that that washer is evenly flush with that rubber seal. Grab my 9/16. And first I just kind of tighten it up just to make sure that it's hugging on there. Once I get that on there, the valve stem will start to spin once you get it pretty tight. So that's when you can take your Allen key or any old thing. You can use it to hold it tight so it doesn't spin. Now I'm just wrenching it pretty tight. You want to make sure that rubber seal is kind of smashed down in the back there, because you don't want any air to leak through. So you want to make sure you get it pretty tight. The seal on the inside will definitely be smashed down by the time I'm done with it. You want to make sure that seal, it makes a good seal so that you don't get any leakage through. Because I hear a lot about guys where they think they got a leak in the air line and it's coming from the valve stem. So it's important just to make sure that those seals are nice and flush, or how I say, just smashed. But evenly smashed. You want to make sure that there's like no gaps or ridges in it. I'll show you. See, evenly smashed. Like and subscribe at Black Diesel 777, and I'll try to make more content for you.